Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Finzera automation testing, and this is a very basic session on automation testing that we do in Finzera and what exactly we do, why we are doing automation, and the basics of how exactly we are doing it, right? So to begin with, let's start. What is automation testing? So in very basic terms, automation testing is execution of these three processes: test, execution, test validation, and test reporting. So even if you think about testing in general, whether it is manual or automation, we basically do these three things, which is test, execution, test validation, and test reporting. There are little more things which are involved maybe prior to this process or after test reporting, which may differ, but this is the very basic and the very core of testing, right? And when we do these three processes manually or some human being does it, it is called as manual testing. And when we use some tools, script, or we create a framework to do this through the help of some tools, it is called automation testing. Okay, so let's take a very simple example on why do we require automation, right? So traffic management is one area where we can see the use of automation testing, right? Earlier we had, uh, a person would be standing in the middle of the crossroads and he will be doing some actions and he will be controlling the traffic, right? So he has to stand there whole day, or for there should be a person whole day there, and he will be doing the same thing over and over and over again, and he will be controlling the traffic, right? So because this is highly repetitive and redundant work and can be delegated to machines or softwares, we are now using traffic signals in place of a manual person, right? So there is no need of a person standing there full day and controlling the traffic. We have automated traffic systems in place, right? So these are some of the processes that we do during creation of automation. This is a sample API request and response, and don't worry, I'll walk you through each and everything in very details. So this is the design of our framework, right? So I'm just walking you through very fast as of now, but don't worry, I'll come back and I'll explain all these things. This is just a test video, so I'm just doing a test here. You can actually skip all this if you do not want. I'm just checking that my video and my audio are, you know, uh, coming properly on YouTube. So I just wanted to make sure that when I record my actual videos, I'm I do not face any technical issues with the screen or with the audio or with the video. So I'm just checking. So I think this is going well, and I'll actually upload it on YouTube and then I'll check that is everything coming okay or not. So let me just stop here. So I'll be stopping here. So I hope you liked it, and do subscribe and give your comments and likes on this video.